Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will check, clean and show you about the following cars here. So now check this truck first. Racing car, green color. Mini airplane. After we check a mini airplane, so now how about this one? Forklift. Airplane, mini airplane. Hero Captain America. About this one? Supercar. This is also a racing car number 58. Excavator. Nice excavator. Bulldozer. Forklift. About this one? School bus, yellow color. Super low floor bus. Everyone, let's move to another interesting truck. Okay, now I check this one. About this one, I don't know its name. If you know, please write down. Racing car number 9. Transportation truck. About this one, super motorbike. Everybody, this is a super motorbike. This is also a police super motorbike with number 911. Cubby truck. Airplane. Truck. About this one, everybody. Yeah, this is a transportation truck. We can transport any cars to anywhere. Now check the next one. Monster truck. Bulldozer. Mini bulldozer. My nice racing car, metal racing car. Red car. Cement mixer truck. Bulldozer. Hero Iron Man, black color. Monster truck. Mini airplane. Mini excavator. Okay, now check the last one. Supercar, yellow color. Everybody, thank you for watching. See you next time. Goodbye, good luck. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. So now thank you for watching.